I am really happy with this air conditioner. It was easy to install and cools off my living room fast. It was a great purchase. It's working beautifully. It's the best working air conditioner I've ever owned. Very efficient but little noisy. Excellent product. Frigidaire has always been good. No complaints, everything working perfectly in a 450 square feet room, much better than its predecessor. 10K BTU is the best. My room feels like Antarctica. I looked at a lot of AC units while I came across this one. I was skeptical at first because there wasn't a lot of reviews, but I absolutely love this thing. I had 3500 BTU AC running in my house and this one cools it just fine, might even be a little too cold. Frigidaire is an excellent name for a reason. I actually ordered another 800 BTU one also. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.